guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you are new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to fashion to you to pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's get on to the subject matter at hand. So today's video is, of course, a fashion video. I went to Tokyo, Japan and Seoul, South Korea, and girl, you know, I had to go shopping. So this is video one of two parts. I'm not sure which one I'm gonna upload first, but this is the fashion shopping portion. So I'm gonna show you guys some accessories and outfit pieces, and I'm gonna put a couple of the pieces together to kind of show you guys what they look like, where you can find them, or I will leave links in the description of alternatives for these pieces. I'm first gonna start. Since I'm here, I'm gonna get up close. I got these from a street vendor. One is a knotted silver ring, just a standard silver ring. These are sterling silver, and this one has more adjustable, so I can switch it on different fingers, and it looks as if it's multiple rings, but guess what? It's just one. These were, I can't really remember. I want to say like maybe 30 bucks. I kind of haggled them down to get both of them a piece. She said they were sterling silver, so I was like, okay, and they were unique, so I kind of wanted them. Purchased these in Korea, and then I purchased these in Japan in Harajuku. Let's get on to the fun stuff. This gorgeous, I absolutely love this faux leather skirt. This is from Zara. We don't have a Zara here in Charlotte. So you guys can see it doesn't have pockets, and then it has the cute little pleats at the bottom, and it's really lightweight. So yeah, Zara. See that? That's 4,990 yen from Zara, size medium. Next up is this super cute gray, and I like how the buttons are different here. It's a gray, it's not a mini skirt, so it's appropriate for the office. It was 2,300 yen, so that's about $23, and this says size F, but I think in that store everything was kind of like one size fits all, so it was a hit or miss with that. It gives me like a faux tweed vibe. It's not actually a tweed, but it kind of looks similar to a tweed. But yeah, so I purchased this at Next International Co. Ltd. is the name of the store. It's just a little store inside Shibuya. Next up are two pieces from a store that we do have in the US, but again, not in Charlotte, is Uniqlo. I absolutely love Uniqlo's clothes, although their color palette in the store is very bland, like it's very neutral colors. But I came across this high waist denim skirt and this Brandy skirt, and it cinches at the waist. It makes you look really tiny, you know what I'm saying? But then it hugs that, you know, like something to bounce back on that booty, you know what I mean? So it looks, although it's completely covered and conservative, it also gives you a little sexy, you know what I'm saying? I believe I purchased this skirt in Korea and then this sweater in Japan, still at Uniqlo though. It's 4,990, it's a size medium. A small would have fit better, but they were out of smalls. So I got this one. It's giving me that librarian vibe, you know. And again, it's very long. The sleeves are kind of big, but that's totally fine because if I wear another sweater under it, it works. Last but not least is the store that was in Seoul, Korea, and it's called 68. I purchased this in the Myeongdong, I think I pronounced that right, Myeongdong Street area. We do not have these in the US, and you cannot purchase them online, so I wanted to leave this for last. To my knowledge, I don't think you can. Anyways, so I got this cute zip up army green jean dress denim jacket from there. I do not have a regular denim jacket. I only have that moto denim jacket, which I wear the heck out of. So I was like, let me get one more light denim jacket. And in case you don't know, I'm obsessed with jackets. So sweaters, anything that keep you warm, I just love it. Anyway, dress was 25,000 won in a size large. And this jacket is, I believe, a size, I know the jacket was 35,000 won, which is like, you know, 30 bucks or something like that, maybe 20 bucks. This jacket is a medium. I hope you guys enjoyed this Tokyo and Seoul shopping haul. Stay tuned for my Seoul and Tokyo beauty product haul, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. And if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up and notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.